Andersen.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to channel Andersen, and welcome into my garage with not one but two manual swap C55 AMGs. Today's video, we got a very cool product and a very special deal that you might want to hear about. Stick around and let's get right into it. Alright, you guys, we are coming in close to my little table setup here so we can unbox this. It is my first time as well. I took a quick sneak peek inside, but it's still in all of its packaging, nice and pristine as it arrived to me. Now, if you haven't figured out by now, this is a limited slip differential, also known as an LSD. And as you can see, it is from none other than M Factory. Now, some of you guys in the Benz world might be unfamiliar with M Factory, but they have been around for a long time and they are a tried and true brand in many other platforms that are well known. As you can see from even just a brief description on the box, it is not playing around and it is made with quality and assurance. Designed and engineered in the USA, and not to mention a lifetime transferable warranty. Not many items like this that take as much abuse as a differential does that would come with something like that. So very cool. But that said, I gotta see this thing and I gotta show you guys. Let's jump in. And before we do take our official look, I have to tell you guys, M Factory has made me an official dealer of their products, which means I get dealer pricing, which means you guys can get the best deal you could possibly find for any of these on your cars. So if it's been something that you've been considering doing as an upgrade, I highly recommend it. In general, an LSD is always fun to have and throw into any car, especially a car like these that come with open diffs from factory. If you have been interested, definitely want to stick around and I'll tell you exactly what the price breakdown looks like. All right guys, chit chat out of the way. Let's go ahead and jump into this thing. Packaging, quality, from everything I've seen, comes with a warranty card issued with the date purchased. Just got mine on February 2nd, and actually this thing got to me in less than a week, I believe, which is pretty fast. Got our M Factory stickers, some nice stuff. I'll definitely be throwing these on the C55, especially this one. I'll put this on the window as I collect all my stickers on the silver car. Another nice big sticker, and your informational sheet that comes with probably install instructions and just claims as far as warranty goes, etc. Alright, and now for the good part. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get this thing out of here. Alright you guys, we're ready to rip this thing out of the box. Let's go ahead and get it out of here. Oh boy. Okay. Alright. Come in, my friends. Sealed up, airtight. Maybe not airtight, but oh my god, this thing is beautiful. Alright, there it is. Alright guys, now you've seen the beauty shots of this thing. I can tell you in hand right now this thing feels fantastic. Definitely a quality piece. I am a noob admittedly when it comes to differentials. This is my first time ever having a limited slip. I'm going to read you guys off some of the facts from what you'll find reading on M Factory's site. So this is a helical differential. There's a lot of different types. But this one is helical. Diamond cuts, forged high nickel, chromium, molybdenum steel. And then a few more specifications says that steel, it's Japanese SAE 4320 and SAE 9310 steel. Forged, double tempered, and super sub-zero treatment for unsurpassed toughness. Advanced shot peening technology increases surface hardness, designed to withstand the extreme shock loads of competition level, drag racing, etc. Advanced gear geometry designed using industry-leading software puts more power to the ground. Only the highest quality, bright and best hardware is used. Maintenance-free gears eliminates the need for special fluids and rebuilds associated with plate-type LSDs. Alright, so that out of the way, you guys can read up. I'll put the links down below, obviously, and maybe put a little blurb on screen what they got, but you guys read up on it. Definitely quality stuff, like I mentioned earlier. M Factory has been around for quite a while, and they're pretty well known in other car communities. Not as well known in the Benz community, but a great option for us. And the cool thing is, this actually fits C63 204s, E55 211, C55, CLK55, basically any AMG or Benz that came with a 250mm, 215mm differential. Alright guys, now it comes down to price. I am offering these with the dealer price that I got for $900 plus shipping to your area. Mine, for instance, was $950 shipped to Washington State. So shipping and handling is really not that much considering what the item is. I guarantee that is the lowest price you will find for an LSD for our cars, and I'm happy to provide that to you guys. That's really the incentive that I wanted to get with this deal with M Factory, was not only they'll provide a diff and support the build to eventually be a track car and help it put the power down to the ground, but also kick back a deal to you guys. If you're interested, I will put all the information down below. I'll put everything on the screen right here. Email for me, you can get in contact with me, and I'll basically set up what you need to get the deal done for yourself if you're interested. Now the plans, if I didn't mention earlier, this is going into the silver C55. We're gonna do a whole build breakdown. I'm probably gonna redo the whole rear subframe at the same time I do this. So it's in the plans, probably for springtime, maybe summer at the latest, maybe even before springtime if I get lucky and projects go smoothly with everything else going on. But I am so excited to have this. I dreamed about having one of these for a long time now, and to finally have this is a dream come true. So huge thank you to M Factory, huge thank you to you guys for all the support you provided to the channel. I can't wait to get this installed and get a deal for you guys as well. Alright you guys, if you are interested in one of these, andersen.amg@gmail.com. This is beautiful. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing this, and I hope you're excited to see this thrown onto the car. Thank you as always for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.
3, 2, 1.